Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily convert a spline into a polyline. Let's take a look at the function for converting to a curved polyline in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. When you click on Utility, the Drawing a Curved Line menu appears, and you select Convert the Curve to Polyline. For comparison before and after the command execution, a copy of the spline has been made. Select the curve on the right side, labeled After. Let's check the converted polyline. Press Ctrl and 1 to open the Properties window. Selecting the object before the change confirms that it is a spline. After selecting the object that has been changed, you can verify that it is now a polyline. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to convert a curve into a polyline. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.